Hello guys, my name is Pravyado and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you how you guys will post polls on the Facebook. So here it is. So simply I have generated polls. So this is my poll question and this is the poll A, poll B, poll and C. So if you guys so you can see this is my personal account if you are aware. So I have opened my personal account, you can see there now, and there I can try to post polls. So you can see how I can share my polls. So simply I can go to copy the question and I can paste it over there, and I can try to found the if is there any polls option available. So you can see there is no any option to I can a poll content. So you can see photos, tag people, check in, live video, GIF, filling and the live events. So there is no any option to I can share my poll section, poll content. So in the personal account you guys haven't option to guys can post polls. So I can go to so you can see after that I have my page, Facebook page section. So you can see this is my page, and there I can try to post a poll. So let me see. So if I can click for the three dots, so you can see there is only option to get WhatsApp messages and another option get calls and these things, but we don't have option for the polls. So you can see after that I joined a group. So you can see this is a groups and this is a group number. So I just randomly found this group. So you can see there is a poll button option. So you can click over there, and there you guys can add your question and you guys can simply create your poll. Okay, and after that if you're wanting to add hashtags any another thing, so you have option, and there is a tag button and location clicks and another emojis section, and also you guys will add a post over there. So I can go to click for the post section, post button, and I'm able to share my polls on the only on the group section, only on the Facebook group section. So there is no any option to guys can share your polls on the personal account or the Facebook page or your business page account. You guys have only option to guys can share your polls on the group section on the Facebook groups. So okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.